Hello, this is Priscilla McDonald from RE/MAX Action Realty. I'd like to introduce you to my listing here at 3270 Susquehanna Road in Dresher, Pennsylvania. It's a peaceful Philadelphia bedroom community with several suburban train stations nearby. The suburban trains take you to Center City, Philadelphia in less than 30 minutes. Imagine having the convenience of the best shopping and dining, highly recognized colleges, and Abington Memorial Hospital, the #1 trauma hospital in the county, all within a 10-minute driving distance. The Upper Dublin School District is one of the most highly ranked schools in Pennsylvania. This 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial is nestled amongst wonderful oak trees that shade and keep the home cool during the summer. Although it was built in the mid-1960s, this home has been beautifully updated and meticulously kept. The wonderful treed rear yard and a patio with an awning provide a peaceful oasis for summer living. Enter the foyer with newly installed ceramic tile flooring that flows into the powder room. If you love hardwood floors, you'll appreciate the floors in the living room, dining room, stairway, second floor hallway, and all 5 bedrooms. The living room has a traditional fireplace and opens up to the dining room. The kitchen was totally gutted in 2009 and replaced with gorgeous oak cabinetry, granite countertops, built-in microwave, range, garbage disposal, dishwasher, and an instant hot faucet. The ceramic floor of the kitchen leads to the family room and laundry room, each with an exit to the rear patio. Although similar homes in the development have only 4 bedrooms, this property has an additional 18 by 17 5th bedroom, perfect for a large family or the various activities of modern day life. The fully finished basement has a bar and lots of room for a play area for children, or better yet, a man cave to relax and hang out with the guys. If you'd like a tour of this beautiful home, call me, Priscilla McDonald, at 215-358-1100 or on my direct line, 215-641-5833. Thank you for viewing this beautiful Dresher Colonial at 3270 Susquehanna Road.